Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to do a very special unboxing. I know I haven't been on YouTube for a very long time. I think like a month by now. I'm actually getting settled into my new place and all my merch and all my things are everywhere, so please understand that I am trying to sort my life out as well as get settled in this new space, and I probably will do an update about how things have been going. I just wanted to show you my little shelf over here. I have all my Black Butler merch over here, but the lights fell down, and then I just have like my stickers and everything else. It's kind of a mess, but I'm trying to get it reorganized so that I can actually move in fully. Like I said, when I moved, I didn't actually bring a lot of furniture, so I'm having to buy like tons of furniture. But yeah, with all that being said, I picked this out from Mercari, and I don't know if I can leave the links below, and I just want to update you guys about the Ciel merch. Also, please note, this was a group buy order. I believe this one was only limited to a select few, and people who knew of it, I think could join. You can mistake me if I'm wrong, but this was a special group buy, so I don't know if it's available anymore. Only select few got the chance to actually purchase this item. When I was browsing on Mercari, I actually wasn't even looking for this, but when I saw it, I knew that I had to have it. So these are packaged up nicely. I actually might save these stickers because they are super adorable. Thank you. I also got this cute little postcard. I'm going to take everything out of the box and show you one by one because it is a pretty big package. So this is a very special acrylic standee, and it has him, his little rabbit. I did cover him up because I don't know if YouTube will censor it. I know in some tarot readings that I do read, they censor those, so I just wanted to make sure that it was safe, but you get the gist of it. You get the little stand, and you also get the backdrop. In total, there were 20 outfits, so we can count together and see how many there are. This includes all his outfits that they released. I think there were 2 to 3 sets that they made. Here's the first look at all of the outfits. So here are 4 of them right now, and I'll show you individually what they look like. Here's the first one. These are super detailed, and I love the art so much. They also have the magnets on the back so that you can attach them to the mini Ciel. The colors are very detailed, and the lines are super precise. I actually hesitated on buying this because I didn't know if it was a bootleg or if it was originally from the artist, so I had to do some research. I even reached out to the seller just to confirm that it was from the artists themselves, but this was a specific selected group buy. In total, they came to be about, I think, 20, so there's this outfit, this little baby Halloween one, his usual. This one, I don't know if it's from a fan art. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but it's a super cute one. His Book of Atlantic one, which he may be posed in for several days. I don't know, depending on my mood. The Alice in Wonderland one. This one. I'm so glad they did it without the coat because it looks pretty either way. Weston College one. And his night robe with his little bunny. And then this is the last set. I don't know where this one comes from. It's really cool. It has little sunflowers on it. This one is the Witch Arc. This one is with the oysters. This one, I believe he was at a carnival. I actually forget if it was, which one this one was. And the last one was actually the cafe one. So in total, I got all these outfits and we can try them one-on-one on him. And then I will also do some photos just so you guys can see it all put together. So this is Ciel up close. I'm so sorry for the glare. And the magnets on the back. This is the backdrop up close. The seller did warn me that there would be an acrylic film on it. Usually acrylic standees come with like a small film on them, so I won't be taking it off just in case I damage it, and probably later I will take it off. Overall, I'm very happy with my purchase. He is super cute, definitely worth buying if you do find him. I would definitely browse places like Mercari, or if you have a friend who is willing to do like a proxy service for you, definitely recommend. Like I said, I don't know if this would reopen. I don't know if there are any more outfits available. I have no idea who you would contact, so I won't leave the links below. Just because I don't know which source they got it from. But overall, I was so happy to receive this in the mail. And yeah. Honestly, I would like to leave a little note here. You know, I've been moving a ton. I've been moving stuff around. a lot of stuff has come up, like emotionally and physically, and I'm just settling. I've taken a break from YouTube. I'm not really on it much. I mean, I listen to music on it, but I'm not on it much. I do post and I do try to update stories, but I'm kind of taking a break until I get my life settled. So thank you for being with me on this journey, and I hope you loves enjoyed. I will catch you later on the next update. That will probably be a crafting video or something else. I did decide for the last part of the vlog, because I wasn't feeling it, I will post it at some point. It won't be in chronological order, but I will post it with a playlist in case you guys want to see my trip to Orlando. But I will see you loves later.